Are you taking supplements but not seeing any results whatsoever? You could actually be taking the right supplements, but your body may not be absorbing them properly, which is just making for really expensive pee. One of the things that's so important to note is that just because we take our vitamins or supplements doesn't mean that our body is actually breaking down and using them. This means that we can run into nutrient deficiencies, wasted money, and no real benefits. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some signs that your body's not actually absorbing the vitamins, how to fix it, and what to look for so you don't waste any more money. So let's talk about the signs that your body's not actually utilizing the vitamins properly. You may still feel tired or sluggish or foggy even after taking energy boosting vitamins like B12 or iron. Your skin, nails, and hair is not improving, even with taking biotin, collagen, or omega-3s. You have a lot of digestive issues. So if you experience a lot of bloating, constipation, or diarrhea after taking supplements, bright yellow pee after taking B vitamins. Some waste is normal, but neon urine may mean that your body's not actually absorbing them. And no noticeable changes in mood or cycle health, even after consistent use. Now let's talk about a really important factor here, which is why your body is not actually absorbing the nutrients. Number one, you have gut issues. So you may have leaky gut, IBS, or low stomach acid. If your digestion is off, you're more than likely not absorbing the nutrients from vitamins or food. So how can you fix this? Making sure that you're getting plenty of probiotics and digestive enzymes, getting enough stomach acid by utilizing apple cider vinegar, and reduce processed foods or gut irritants such as gluten, dairy, and excess sugar. We have to fix the gut first or the vitamins just won't work. Number two, you're taking the wrong form of vitamins. Many cheap vitamins use synthetic or poorly absorbed forms. For instance, folic acid is a cheap form of methylfolate. If you have a MTHFR mutation, which I covered in this video, this means that you can't even process folic acid. Iron sulfate over iron biglycinate. Iron sulfate can just create more constipation, which if you're constipated, do you think you're going to be absorbing the nutrients? So we want to make sure that we're getting methyl forms of vitamins such as methylcobalamin and methylfolate. You also want to pick chelated minerals such as magnesium glycinate and iron biglycinate. And avoid fillers and artificial colors in cheap multivitamins. Follow up with your doctor so that way you can get more detailed information on how your body may be processing these vitamins. One of my favorite vitamins to take, especially for women, and trust me, who wants to take a million pills all at once, is actually from the brand Ladywell. Ladywell is so helpful when it comes to keeping your hormones balanced and taking care of any cycle irregularities. And one of the reasons why I love this supplement is because it has the methylated forms of B12. I hooked you all up and got you all a nice little discount. So you can click down below to get your bottle of Ladywell at a discounted rate utilizing the code below. All right, well, if you found this video to be valuable, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with all of your beautiful besties so they can thrive as well. Thank yourself so much for showing up today, and thank you for tuning in to Divine Feminine Wellness.